Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So Xiaomi has recently launched a power bank by the name Mi Pocket Power Bank Pro. Now this power bank is priced at rupees 1099. So I have been using this power bank for quite some time, and today in this video we're gonna see the unboxing of it and we're gonna talk about few of the features. So guys, you might be thinking, why this power bank? Because it supports fast charging of 22.5 watts. So that is cool, right? So let's start the video and let's see what is there inside this power bank and what are the features available in this. So let's start. So in front of the box you can see the brand and the name as Mi Pocket Power Bank Pro with 1000 mAh, and where you can see a 22.5 watts of fast power delivery. Few of the points which are highlighted in the box are super lightweight, compact form, 12 layers of protection, and below you can see the logo as Made in India. Backside you can see some additional information and specification, and definitely the price as mentioned here. So let's cut open the box and see what is inside. First thing you can see is the user manual, and now it comes the Type A to Type C power cable to charge your device, and the power bank itself, which looks cool and feels very compact. Let's talk about the build quality. It is a texturized material and it is a plastic build. You can see the Xiaomi badging in the front. Ports, if we see here, it is the power on button, and next to it is the micro USB Type C port and two Type A USB port, and along with it is the LED light indicator. And below the power bank you can see some of the additional information and details about the power bank. So the main highlight of this device is the ultra fast charging capability of 22.5 watts of output which this power bank delivers. Now this is the best part of this power bank that you can find, and this is what I was talking about while starting of the video. I have tried connected with Android devices and also with the Type C port that I have connected to the iPhone, and it also charges well. If you have iPhone 11, then it will give you a complete full charge within 1 hour 45 minutes. Also, it is said with the help of two Type A port, you can even charge your laptop like the new MacBooks which is available in the market. But yes, it definitely doesn't mean that your laptop will be giving a fast charge, but yes, you can use it as a backup to charge your laptop during emergency. Okay, guys. So one more cool point of this device is that the device is really compact and it totally fits it in your palm, and you can in fact slide it in your pocket and you can take it around wherever you like, and this can be handy whenever you need some emergency charging. Also one more point that I would like to mention is that the device is really lightweight, and the best part of it is that it only weighs 174 grams, which is cool. The 12 layers of protection which protects your device from any internal or external damage and works pretty well. Talking about the charging, it comes with 10,000 mAh battery, and if you are connecting with a fast charger of 18 watts or 20 watts of charger, you can easily charge this device within 7 hours of full charge. So guys, Xiaomi has priced this power bank at rupees 1099, and with this you also get a 1 year of warranty on this power bank from Xiaomi. So guys, to sum up the entire video, I would like to say that this is a very powerful power bank, and it is really compact and lightweighted, and the best part of it is that with this price range you also get a fast charging capability and a 22.5 watts of output on this power bank, which is definitely a deal to steal. And I would definitely and highly recommend to people who are looking for a power bank in the market and who wanted to purchase a power bank, so go for this Xiaomi Mi Pocket Power Bank Pro. So guys, that's it from today's video, and I hope you like my video, and do keep on subscribing my channel and do like my content for more such technology related videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you and take care.